So hi friends, so I'm going to explain you now here redirection of the operator. So redirection operator, it will be used that greater than and two times to if you want to take this output into that some other file, that time you will able to use this result. So just I will show you one thing. So if I'm going to take get hyphen process, get avid process, if I'm going to execute this command, what we are going to see, we are going to see there is a lot of get process. If I want to take the output, you I have already out hyphen file. If I will going to give this, and if I want to save this result into this where is day 3 class, somewhere in here I can give this path, I will give this path, and just I will give that process underscore dot txt, and I will give just double column. If I'm going to execute this, so what happened? Oh, sorry, what happened? Oh, out hyphen file, it is not default. Out hyphen file. So this time what is going to be happen, it is going to be save my all result to this one, right? Get process, so it is coming in the 96 kb. If I will want even two times, three times also, if I have executed, it is going to be see give the result 96 kb only. Same thing only if you want to do using the redirection operator, you can use this, and you can use this symbol. So this time what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete this file, and I'm going to execute this now. So sorry, cannot open the file. Okay, sorry, I have to first, that file has to be there, I think, then only it is going to write into this. Oh, cannot open the browser. Hmm, 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 hmm. Git process. Oh, sorry. I don't have to use the out file. Out file will be used in the pipe symbol. I want to catenate, so thus I have to use this. So directly I will get process, and if I'm going to give this symbol, what is going to be happen? I will go, and if I will delete this now, so directly what is going to be happen? It will go, and it is going to be generate the file. Same thing it is happened. Now you can see that 96 kilobyte. If I'm going to execute two times, three times, even four times, nothing is going to be happen. It will be 95 kb only. So what you will see, so whatever value you are getting here, it is going to be override the value. If you want to append the value here, you have to use double this symbol two times, and this time what happens, you can see this value is 95 kb. If I'm going to execute this one time, two times, so what you are going to see, it is going to be increasing the value. So 288, one more time if I go to execute, so what you can say, it is a 384. So what you can say, so the value, if you are writing this symbol, it is used for appending the value, and if you are giving one time this symbol, it is used for just overwriting the value. That is called as redirection of the operators. So next one, I'm moving for uh, redirection is also done. Okay, so I am going with split and join operators now. So I will just split and join operators. Split, already I have explained you how to split the function, right? Like last classes I have already discussed, where we are using the split and join operators. So how, if you want to, if it's split, what is going to happen, if you have one or more string and you want to make the multiple of substring, you can use that split function. And if you have multiple of substring and you want to make a single string, that time you will use as a join function. So we will go with the example. I'm just taking one value here. Hi, I am PowerShell, and here what I will give, I will just giving as a comma separated, because I have to tell the PowerShell where you are going to split this. So I will give here hyphen split, like split, and just I have I'm telling PowerShell where you are finding that comma, you split into the two part. I think last time also I have discussed with you. If I'm going to explain you, so what you can see, hi, I am PowerShell, where he's found the comma, it is going to split the value. People, you can use that space also, you can give. Then what you have to do here, just you have to don't give the comma, you just give the space. And then if you're going to execute, so this time you told where you are finding the space, just you go and just you do this one, just divide into this part. If you are using the joined operator, so for joined operators I'm giving one value, hello, hello. Then next one I am giving, I am giving here I, then again I'm giving comma, I'm giving this time comma, and a PowerShell, and I want to join this operator. So what I will use, hyphen join, and then where you want to join it, so where I'm finding the comma, you join that value. So if I'm going to execute, so it is going to be given to the one line the result. So this all everything has been added, right? So like this, you will able to do this. So or otherwise you want to do something like that, you will also, you will able to do, will add this, something like this time. What happened, hello I am. So what happened, where it is found that this is the one, this is the other one, right? I am giving the comma, and between that we have given the double column. So what is the meaning, this all are the separate thing is, right? This all I want to add, how I want to add, with join with this one, that all value whatever given 1 2 3 4 value join with this. Or otherwise you can give the space also. This time what happened, all is going to add with the space, right? So I hope you understood that split operation, how we can use the joint and split operation. There is one more operator, which one I forget, two thing more which one I have discussed, that is called a type operator. I have written here type operator. Yes, type operator is not. So there is two things which one we will discuss now. What is this is and this operator. So is just, it is going to return the true value if you have the same data type, right? Same type, right? True value, or otherwise it is not going to give you the true value, right? Okay, so just we'll give here I am just writing here, get date, and I just close the bracket, and after that I'm writing is, and this time I'm matching with data type get time. So this is giving the value true, right? And if I will give is not, so this time the result is going to be displayed into the false result. So this is the type operator, right? Next operator which one we are going to discuss about, that unary operator. Unary operator is you can use for the incremental or decremental purpose, right? So have you studied in your college time, you are giving I is equal to 1 and I plus plus display the result, so it is going to add one value into this. So same thing, I have taken a variable 1 is equal to, I've taken the 1, and what I'm going to display here, $a plus plus. So what is the value? It is going to display 1. The value of a is 1, and 1 it is added one value, so it is going to, okay, I have to write here $a. If I'm going to print here this time, it is going to print the value 2. If I'm going to execute this one more time, so now 2 is going to become the 3. So now the value is, no, I don't have to use a again. If I'm going to use the a again, what is going to be happen, it is going to be overwrite. So I don't have to use this second time. If I'm using I plus plus means I a plus plus means now value of a is 2, And then what is going to happen if I'm going to execute this? So a plus plus, so what is the value now? It is 2 2 1, again it is added and it's going to print that a value. So if I'm going to execute this, so it's become t3 4 5 6 7 8 like that. If I will use the I minus minus, so what is the value now? It is 8. So this time it will be decrease the one value and it is print the 7, then 6, then 6, then 5, then 4, like this. It is used as the unary operator. So I think you understood what is the operator, what is the type of operator, how to describe the operator. There is various type of operator, example of all operator. So this is just hands on, but real thing we are going to do the practical once we are writing the programming, and programming is going to be started from the maybe next class. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to explain you some loop concept. Okay, so that one we are going to discuss now, loop and how we are generating the loop and all things. So just we will go and we will see this where it started my mobile. Okay, fine. So just we will go and we will see this all programming. Okay, and there is last class also I have missed something. Okay, anyhow it's fine. So just give me 1 minute. I will come back. Just 1 minute. Just I will pause my recording. Okay. So we are going to learn now how if else all loop now. So in PowerShell, how it is going to. This is the basics things, but it is going to be give you more benefit. That's why I told Day 3 class is always very important. Mm, so I have just added if else statement here. Or or okay, one second.